What's up, everybody? Zach Vines here. Just gonna shoot a quick video. So basically, when you're in internet marketing, as you know, and then you're digging and building your list, and you're starting to kind of increase your email marketing game, the biggest hindrance to you is your deliverance. And what is that? Well, usually you get marked by spam, usually by Google and Yahoo, but if your leads are not getting your emails, then you can't make a sale and you can't truly reach out and engage with them. So there's various things you could do. There's various things for you to do to get whitelisted and to pop up on their inbox. But right now, I'm just going to focus on one thing that can usually slash your spam score in half immediately, no questions asked. So here's a simple little email motivation I'm sending to my list. Here you go. Here you have it. So right now, let's look. So right now, see, it's not bad, but Sam's spam score of 2.42, 2.43. I've had it where my spam score has been even higher because of various reasons, a lot of links, etc. And this method totally works every time. So a lot of times when things or spam bots look and decide what is spam, what isn't spam, da da da. One big thing, one easy fix they'll look at is if there's a plain text option. And I'm going to show you how to make it where it's optionable. A lazy spammer is not going to sit here and try to make two alternatives for their clients to read email. So it's something that easily, for whatever reason, just knocks your spam score in half if you give the alternative. And also, some people really do like it. And I've tested this. This isn't going to, doing this is not going to all of a sudden make your email different. It's still going to look exactly how you format it. It's still going to look exactly how you want it to look. But it will knock it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to plain text. You're going to simply allow there to be an HTML to plain option. Close. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so 1.324 is going to help. And then, what I love about GetResponse is you can still see, why you have your little spam score. That's it. Simple. Go try it out. I know you're going to get results. I hope to hear good feedback from you. Go build your list. Get them emails delivered. All right, guys.